How can you be precise when solving math problems? Think about this question during the lesson. Chad and Rhoda are hanging a swing. Chad cut a piece of chain 6 feet 2 inches long. Rhoda cut a piece of chain 72 inches long. When they hung the swing, it was crooked. Use precise language to explain why. Be precise means that you use appropriate math words, symbols, and units, as well as accurate calculations when you solve problems.
Let's swing into action.
What are you asked to do? What information are you given? You are asked to explain why the swing is crooked. You are given that Chad cut his chain 6 feet 2 inches long and Rhoda cut her chain 72 inches long. Think, how can I be precise in solving this problem? I can calculate accurately, give a clear answer, use the correct units. What calculations do you need to do? You need to change 6 feet 2 inches into inches, so it can be compared to 72 inches. Here's my thinking. Convert 6 feet 2 inches to inches to see if Chad and Rhoda cut equal lengths of chain. What is the length of this chain in inches?
Select your answer.
6 times 12 equals 72, so 6 feet equals 72 inches. 6 feet 2 inches equals 72 plus 2 equals 74 inches. Chad's chain is 74 inches long, but Rhoda's chain is only 72 inches long. Since Chad and Rhoda used unequal lengths of chain, the swing is crooked. Now you know how you can be precise when solving math problems.